Hello guys, my name is Taira Hassan and today we are going to cover HTML images. In my last videos, we have talked about HTML editors. We also talk about HTML basic tags, or also we also have a look on the HTML links. So today we are going to cover next topics. So let's go to the HTML images tag. So here you can see that the source file src is used for and for alternative text we use alt. We can also define width and height as an attribute inside the image tag. So let's try this example. So here you can see that this is the heading 2 tag, and inside html images we can change it. Example. So this is the paragraph tag, and here you can see the text inside this tag. So this is the image tag, and here is the source. Inside the source you have to mention the URL of the page or of the image. So when you can select the path of your own computer. If you are working on localhost, you can also place the URL of any web page or also any live image. Here is the alternative text. You have to mention it inside the, and then you can also mention the width and height. Let's remove the height. Let's see, now run. So it defines the height automatically. So let's remove the width. Now we will run. So it's the same. Control Z, Control Z. Let's increase it. You can see the difference. So let's increase the height. You can see the difference. This way you can resize the image. So let's go to the next thing. How to view HTML source. It's very easy. Let's read it out first. Right click on the HTML page and select view page source. For example, I will do right click. Here you can see that view page source. Or okay, when I will click on it, it will show me the source code of the page. You can also inspect the element. Right click. Oh, let me do it here. Inspect. I want to view, sorry, it's, let me make it responsive. I want to inspect this element. I will click here, and then how to view HTML source. Here you can see that this is the code. So if I will make change here, you can see the result there. How to view HTML source example. So you can see that magic. Okay, let's move to the next section. That's the HTML elements. Most of the things are coming again and again. So these are the HTML elements. We have already discussed them. This is the new one. That is the line break. So these are the nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. So let's, an HTML document consists of nested HTML elements like HTML, body, H1P. These are the further HTML elements. So this is the example explained here. We already talked about it. So the body element defines the document of the body. It has a start tag, and we already talked about it in my previous video. If